Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with the essentials. You have the unit powered, speakers connected, and the source playing a familiar track. First, pick EQ mode, graphic for quick bands, parametric for surgical control, or auto calibration to let the unit analyze. Once done, set input gain to unity or 0 dB so adjustments reflect true changes. You should also disable any loudness or night modes. Otherwise, they will mask EQ effects. This gets you into the actual tuning process fast. Now target the mid-range and treble frequencies. You find them with a sweep or a reference track. Use a parametric band to set a center frequency, adjust Q to narrow or widen the band, and change gain in 1 dB steps. Once you hear resonance or muddiness, cut gently. If vocals are thin, boost around 1.3 kHz with a moderate Q. Make small moves, then listen. Compare A versus B to ensure each tweak improves clarity without creating harshness. Finish by running a full sweep and playing several reference songs to confirm balance across genres. Adjust global bass or treble only slightly. Once satisfied, save your preset and label it for room or source so you can recall settings quickly. If something sounds wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reset the EQ, rerun the auto calibration, and check speaker phase and cable connections. These steps solve most anomalies. Make sure to compare saved presets in the listening position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.